Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to withdraw your money from TikTok. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the TikTok application on your phone. Then you want to go and click on your profile picture on the bottom right side. Then after that, go and click on these three lines on the top right side. Then go and click on settings and privacy. Once you go to your settings, go and click on balance. Once you go to balance, go and click on others beside the live rewards. Then here you should click on monthly earnings. Then here it will show you this page and this pop out message. Click on setup now. And if you cannot actually get this message, you can simply click on this card icon on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on this pencil icon in order to add your payment method. Then here you should select your country and region, then click on choose payout method, click on the bank transfer. And now they will send you a 6-digit code to your Gmail. You just have to enter it. After that, you'll have to provide street address, building number, postal code, email, date of birth, first name, last name, bank account number, Swift code, country and region, and so on. So after filling in all these information, you'll have to click on submit. And after hitting the submit, it will show you here this message, and you will get your payment every 15th of the month. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.